Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to talk about one-stop-shop ejuice.com and my buying experience I had with them recently. I purchased a bottle of the root beer, and I'll show you my purchase order. Okay, so on July 31st, I purchased a 30 milliliter bottle of the root beer. My favorite place, Vape Wild, stopped making the classic root beer, so I've been on the hunt for another site with reasonable prices and reasonable shipping time to replace that. So I came across the eJuice Factory, which is actually the onestopshop.com, onestop-ejuice-shop.com, and I placed my order on the 31st, and let me find the email. Okay, so I placed it at 12:34, or this is when I received the confirmation. So it was a Wednesday, it was early afternoon. They've had plenty of time to catch up from any orders that were placed on the weekend, because what I've figured out with places is that on Monday and Tuesday they usually play catch up from the orders that were placed on the weekend. Okay, so I usually order from places on like a Tuesday or a Wednesday, and my experience has been if I order something on a Tuesday or Wednesday, I usually get it by Friday or Saturday of that same week. Okay, so, and I've ordered for places as far as, I live in Georgia on the East Coast of the United States, and I've ordered from places in Oregon, Washington, Florida, Illinois, and just all over the United States. And typically, if I order on a Tuesday or Wednesday with first class mail, I usually get it between, Friday and Saturday of that week. Okay, so that's a reasonable expectation. Okay, so this place is located in Maryland, which is, north of me, but a lot closer than some of the other places that I purchased from. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what happened. All right, so again, I placed it early afternoon on Wednesday. Reasonably, I expected that the shipment would go out either later that day or on Thursday. Okay, so I sent an email, and I asked them, since I didn't get any kind of confirmation or anything, I placed an order with the eJuice Factory early afternoon yesterday. I'm a new customer. I was wanting to know when my one bottle of eJuice would ship. Okay, hello, it will be shipped today. So you see, August 1st, the next day, they're telling me it would be shipped. Okay, so I'm going to go out to, okay, so this is the tracking information for my order. Okay, so remember I showed you the email that said it would be shipped on Thursday the 1st. Okay, well they didn't actually print out the label until Monday, August 5th. Okay, so why there was such a long delay for one bottle? I mean, I don't know about you, but when I've gone into shops and waited for them to make my eJuice, a couple minutes. Okay, so you're talking about maybe a 5-minute task, maybe a 10-minute task, shipping, preparing it to ship, printing out the label and all that. So maybe a 10-minute task. Okay, so I was really irritated when I got the shipping information on Monday. So they basically lied to me. They told me it was going to ship out Thursday. It didn't even go anywhere. They didn't do anything with it until Monday. Okay, so then it reaches the Brooklyn, Maryland post office on the 7th, which was Wednesday. Okay, so then I received it on the 9th. Okay, so I did a review, and I want to show you. Okay, so I posted a review on their website explaining what happened. Okay, gave them a 1 star. Root beer is not worth the wait, and customer service is horrible. Okay, I just received my order today, 1 30-milliliter bottle. I ordered it in the early afternoon on July 31st, 2019. I inquired about my shipment on 8/1. In their response, I was told that my order would ship that day, 8/1. On 8/5, I received a notification that the shipping label was printed. On 8/7, I received a notification that my order was at the Brooklyn, Maryland. I don't know if it was the post office or the sorting facility. It doesn't matter. I have ordered much larger quantities from websites that ship the same day and were further away than Maryland. I will not be purchasing from this again. I meant to say website, nor will I recommend them to anyone. I understand that e-juice needs to steep, so I will give it a few more days to see if the flavor improves. 5-star reviews on this product are a joke. Okay, so this is my notification. Your review has been rejected. So they basically deleted my review. Okay, so not only did they lie about it, they have poor customer service, poor shipping, but they only approve positive reviews. Okay, and I'm going to show you. Now this was a red flag that I did miss. Okay, so they had a review back in 2017, 2016, 16. I should have paid a closer attention to the dates, but I didn't really, I was looking at, okay, this sounds like it's a good root beer, but that should have been a red flag that I should have said, hey, why are they only have 5-star reviews and 5 reviews over a 3-year period? When I see that again, I'll know not to buy from the place. Okay. So, let's see. Okay, so not only did they reject it. Okay, so then I sent them an email. I saw you deleted my review. That explains why the product only has 5 reviews in the last 3 years. You obviously don't want people to know how poorly your business is ran. I will be happy to include that in the review. I'm going to post about your piss poor operation and product. I'll also include how you lied to your customers, and then their reply was, "Are you retarded?" So these are the kind of people that you're dealing with at the e-juice factory, one-stop shop, one-stop e-juice shop. Okay, so I don't recommend these people. The e-juice is okay, but it's not the best e-juice. It's certainly not worth the wait. Okay. It was reasonably priced, but unfortunately, the fact that they lied to me, they really don't care about getting the shipment out, and obviously they don't care about improving their customer service because they're not even willing to post your reviews if they're anything less than a 5. Okay? So, I don't recommend them. I'll never buy from them again. And if you do, you do it at your own risk. And so that's my review. I don't recommend them. Worst buying experience I've ever had with an e-juice website or shop. And I've been buying a lot of e-juice and e-juice or components for vaping since 2013. So that's 6 years of buying, and they're one of the top 3 worst places I've ever dealt with. So I do not recommend them. Thanks for watching, and good luck to you.